Good morning, subscribers. Welcome to the Daily Pre-Market Analysis. Myself, Brijesh Bhatia. After a negative opening yesterday, we saw some of the regain, though it was not on a positive close. We closed down by around 250 points, but in the end, we managed to hold on to the support zone which we discussed 17150, in yesterday's session, which held strongly onto the Nifty. The close above 17300 was slightly very important. Today, SGX is indicating a positive opening of about nearly 30 points, 32 points as of now. Dow in the end yesterday we discussed 31800 to 31500 is a huge support zone. It acted support zone yesterday and managed to hold on to 32,000 on close, which is very important. Today, it's very important for Nifty and Indian markets because we have a monthly close today, being tomorrow holiday, markets off on 31st. So today close will be very important only. So if you look at the screen, this is the monthly chart which I have highlighted today. After a stellar rally into the July series, August started on a positive note. We had expectation that Nifty may hit new all-time high when it just kissed 18,000 levels. But in the end, as the month closed now, we are closing near the month low, forming the probably if we close today at the same level, we may form a gravestone doji, which is again a sign of a negative candle after a lower highs. So today's close will be very important to watch out in today's session. If in case we manage to hold a slightly positive close about 17,550, 17,600, which is around 250, 200, 300 points. We may see a good candle, but yes, as of now, the candle is slightly, I would say, negative. Looking at the structure so far. Importantly, if I just go on to the daily levels, which we generally discuss in every, uh, the momentum halted right at 200 hourly exponential moving average. So if you look at this orange line, this is 200 exponential moving average. Uh, Halted right around those levels. We had a monthly low. If you look at the 4th August low, which was 17,161. 2nd August low was somewhere around the lower levels. We held those levels in the whole month now, which is very important. We try to move higher. uh, if I just look at the structure over here, uh, there was a bullish AB equal to CD as per the harmonic pattern, where the reversal was somewhere around 17,125 120 levels. We haven't tested those levels, but slight shy of those levels, and we are witnessing a probably reversal move. So this today's move around 17,500 will be very important, because this gap area now may act as a resistance zone. So if I just draw the gap area over here, so this gap area is very important to watch out in probably today and next couple of days as well. If in case we manage to move above the gap now, this will be very important for bulls now. So as of now, I believe 17,100 for the short term move would be the huge support zone. Looking at the structure, and if I just look at this trend line which have been connecting from the lows, is placed at 17,060, so that it is also holding on to the support zone onto the trend line, onto the 200 days 200 hourly exponential moving average, which we have seen multiple times over here. So if you look at the previous, so 200 hourly plays a key important role where markets are trending positive or negative or bullish or bearish. So when there was a bearish, it act as a resistance zone. Look for a short opportunity. When it's a trending above it, it acts as a support, and look at long entries over here. So similarly, long entries is playing out very well. Moving on to the bank nifty as well. If you remember in yesterday's video, I highlighted 37,950 is very important. Exactly, we opened around the same level. We hit a low of 37,944, 943.85 precisely, and we managed to come back very strongly at 38,300, and we closed it at 38,345. Again, 200 hourly exponential is acting as a huge support zone. Plus, if I just look at the previous swing lows, the both the lows are same, so we may see a double bottom sort of construction over here. And if I just look at the daily chart, which is also interesting. Uh, Yeah. If you look at this daily chart, it is also interesting because it is holding the bullish belt hold level. So this was a not a textbook bullish belt hold, but yes, the open low were nearly same. So it is holding bullish belt hold structure, which is again a important sign for bulls. So keep a watch on Bank Nifty 37,000. 950 is very important support, and as I said, closed at around 38,300 levels. So yes, we may look for a long bias, keeping a stop loss of 37,900 onto this spot, and this gap area of 38,900 can be on target, should be kept at 38,800, 38,900 levels onto the upside for today, or probably 1 to 2 trading sessions. In case we get an entry at around 38,100, 38,150, look for a bias with the stop loss of below 37,900, keeping a cushion of 50 points. So that's a trade you should look for in Nifty and Bank Nifty in today's session. Signing off and have a profitable day.